Alright, so you promised pork kebabs at the potluck, but you totally forgot and you have to leave in 1 hour. So here's what you do. Light up a chimney of charcoal with an oil-soaked paper towel that you used from last time. Now take garlic, onion, soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, and gochujang and run it through a blender. Chop up 2 pounds of pork tenderloin and mix in the sauce and skewer it up. Now, this marinade is actually good for 4 pounds of pork tenderloin if you are marinating overnight, but we don't got time for that. Now that your charcoal is hot, lay it on one side and preheat your grill grates for about 1/4 of a beer. If you're wondering why I had an oil-soaked paper towel before, now you know. Now sear the kebabs for about 2 minutes on each side. That's 4 sides. Once it's all seared, drop them back into the sauce and we're going to bring the sauce to a boil. Once the sauce is boiling, just make sure everything's nice and coated, and then we're just going to bring it offset for another 5 minutes or so. Alright, it's time for us to go, but don't forget to close the vents to save the charcoal for next time. And we're going to wrap everything up, not just to keep it warm, but also in case anything's undercooked. It'll be cooked by the time we get there. Now we made a lot of extra sauce, so you can use that for dipping. So yeah, next time you're crunched for time and you just absolutely have to cook on charcoal, give this a shot.